All right, so we're back again. We're gonna do our nightly updates. Just took a week off last week. I did send out the email with all the trades I made during the week. I didn't do any evening updates. It just had too much going on. But anyway, if you're on our email list, you did get that update. All right, so here we go. Starting off on Monday, if you're watching this morning, start off really quiet. And I had this higher target up here at 44.20, which we haven't hit yet. I'm still expecting it to get up there, but we did develop some additional targets shortly after the opening. I actually did get in. I did have an order resting up here waiting for the E-mini S&P to trigger it. Came in as an HF3 buy. It's one of my 4 patterns that I look for. Once again, these patterns, are programmed in. All right. So it's not something you can identify here because there's a lot to go into identifying the pattern. So anyway, so we did see the HF3 setting up. It did give us an entry point if it hit, and it did hit. So we took the HF3 buy. We did have an upper target up here. We did hit that upper target about an hour later, which was up here right above 44.05, and that was it. I did have some additional trades that I didn't take. I had one in the Russell, also had one in the mini Nasdaq. Both would have been very nice trades, but that's 2 that I didn't take. So I only took the one. What I'm really trying to do here is I'm trying to keep my trades down to the first hour or 2. These are the trades that didn't come in until later on. That's why I didn't take them. So the idea is just trade that early morning volatility. Usually you're going to have some really nice moves out of the gate, and I want to take advantage of that. And once again, I'm also focused on the indices. So I'm looking at the mini S&P 500, the mini Russell, the mini Nasdaq, and maybe the mini Dow, though I'm not a big fan of the mini Dow, but we'll see. If there's something that I really like, we'll take a trade on the mini Dow. Right now, just the E-mini S&P, which is one of my favorites. Second would probably be, well, Russell is probably the favorite. And then the E-mini, and then the mini Nasdaq. But they're all good. They all have plenty of volatility. A lot of volume, a lot of interest in it, so you get some really nice swings in it, and that's what we're looking for. All right, so the targets, once again, is also automated, designed by the Einstein formula, and that's going to give me high probability targets. So once I get a pattern set up, once it hits the trigger for that pattern, I either buy or sell, and then Einstein will come in and do the calculations, provide me with high probability targets, and it's a fairly simple process. So anyhow, that's going to be it. I'll try to do this for the rest of the week. Not expecting, I'm not going to be trading much since I'm trying to keep it down to the first couple hours. So we may get a couple indices at one time. Sometimes we can get up to 3 different indices all triggering. And if that's the case, I'll take them, all 3 of them. I do like trading all of them. So we'll just see how that goes. Also in Discord, continuing to put out my stock list of the stocks that I like, the ones I think have the highest potential for movement, but they also have to meet the criteria of having several of the patterns also being set up for buys before I take it. Okay, so that's also being provided in our Discord channel with our forum members. So that list is still there as well. All right, that's going to wrap it up. Everybody have a good day, and let's hit it again first thing tomorrow morning. Take care.